The exterior perimeter alarm on your Peugeot is triggered if someone tries to open the door, the bonnet, or the boot. The interior volumetric alarm is triggered if a window is broken or if someone moves inside the car. The tilt alarm is triggered if the vehicle is lifted or moved. To activate the alarm, turn the car off and get out of your Peugeot. Lock the vehicle using the remote control by pressing on the door handle on the driver's side or by walking away from your vehicle. When the alarm is activated, the red indicator light on this button flashes once per second, and the indicators light up for around 2 seconds. The exterior perimeter alarm is activated after 5 seconds, and the interior volumetric alarm after 45 seconds. By pressing twice on the lock button on your key, you activate your Peugeot's deadlock, disabling the internal opening controls. To deactivate the alarm, unlock your Peugeot by using the remote control, pulling on the door handle on the driver's side, or by coming closer to your vehicle. If you need to leave a person or animal inside your vehicle, leave a window ajar, go through an automatic car wash, place the vehicle on a car repairs ramp, or journey by ferry, you can lock your Peugeot automatically by simply activating the exterior perimeter alarm. To do that, switch off the motor, and within the following 10 seconds, press on the alarm button until the red indicator light glows steadily. Get out of the vehicle, and lock it immediately using the remote control. To reactivate the interior volumetric alarm and tilt alarm, unlock your Peugeot, then lock it again using the remote control. When the alarm is set, the alarm siren sounds, and the indicators flash for 30 seconds. When this button flashes rapidly, it means that the alarm has been activated during your absence. If the remote control isn't working, to activate the alarm, use the key to open the driver's door. This activates the alarm. Switch on the motor. That stops the alarm. If you have subscribed to Peugeot's connected alarm service, a notification is sent to your smartphone to inform you that your vehicle's alarm has been triggered. If there is a system malfunction, the red indicator will light up steady when you switch on the motor. If this happens, have the system checked by your Peugeot retailer or a qualified workshop.